Since Makita's beginnings, they have focused on delivering quality tools to professionals and DIYers so they can work in comfort and maintain precision. Let's see the 10 best Makita tools for woodworking. Who wouldn't want pinpoint results when sanding? One of the best things about this finishing sander is its easy usability and setup. You can take on any job faster with its auto-start wireless system. The easy detachable front grip stands for sanding in confined areas and corners. On top of that, this finishing sander comes with a built-in vacuum adapter and dust bag, so no dust will be generated during your projects. Another pro of this tool is that it has 3-stage speed control to complete every operation perfectly. This portable top-handled chainsaw is truly a must for outdoor woodworker. First and foremost, it's comparatively lightweight and generates surprisingly low noise for operator comfort. You can cut all medium tree branches without needing gas, emissions, oil mixing, or pull start. With substantial runtime and compact design, this chainsaw is great for pruning, trimming, and limbing. Wait, there's more. You'll get instant startup for quick cleanup, and if you need to cut dense material, there's a torque boost mode for that. Nailing is one of the crucial parts of woodworking projects, but this Makita full-round head-framing nailer will make it easier for you. How? It is extremely lightweight and allows faster nail driving for maximum performance. It comes with a solid top-loading aluminum magazine for longer life. Some projects need extra power. No problem. The large-capacity air chamber will bring it to you. This framing nailer keeps you independent. Even the most challenging job site situation can't bother you. Just pick your gun and start firing the nails. This Makita miter saw is great for portability and its lightweight design. It's specially designed for professionals who need to transport their saw from job to job. This saw features a linear ball bearing system and has a 12-inch crosscut capacity to make smooth and accurate cuts every time. Depending on your needs, you can miter the saw at any angle, left or right. Let's not forget the ergonomic rubberized handle, which will provide you with absolute comfort and a better fit while on long projects. Here's a tool that will give you complete confidence while drilling. This hammer driver drill comes in handy to deal with the most demanding drilling and driving applications. It boasts a powerful brushless motor, so you'll get the desired torque for different applications. This hammer driver drill has 2 speed settings and lets you switch between them with a simple button slide. Plus, it has an ultra-smooth variable speed trigger that provides optimum control on the individual operations. If you're thinking about tight spaces, then no worries. This drill driver is ideal for handling them all. Whether you're a woodworking pro, precision is important to you, right? This circular saw is here to deliver immense power with huge cutting capacity and accuracy. Surprisingly enough, this circular saw provides 2 times more cutting speed than the corded one. One more pro of this tool is its battery life. You'll never have to leave your projects incomplete because of the battery life. It's a beautiful saw, very lightweight and easy to use. Thanks to its auto-start wireless system and convenient dust extractor, you'll always get the best cut. Forget those cutting hassles from today. This tool over here will solve the problem of uneven wood surfaces. First, it has an adjustable planing depth to fit your variety of needs. And secondly, it produces a great amount of speed for quick sanding and has dual dust ports to keep you away from all the dust and debris. With the 3 chamfering groove options, it makes edge planing easier and more fun to do. Hold on, there's another cool fact for you. This Makita planer has an onboard tool storage system and easy blade charging options to give you the facilities with no exception. Corded performance with cordless power. No matter how your workpiece is, this Makita Jigsaw delivers increased power and speed for your every possible need. It has a variety 6-speed dial to match your application and generates massive strokes per minute for faster cutting. Oh, here's a large 2-finger trigger switch and toolless blade changing system so that you can manage the desired comfort while on and after the job. The built-in LED lights and heavy-duty aluminum base are the features worth mentioning. This is the Makita DRT50, a powerful cordless trimmer with 5 different bases. This trimmer is very simple to start. All you need to do is set the base perfectly, Attach the battery and plug in the vacuum hose and you're good to go. Now you can trim your workpieces in different shapes and sizes easily. Plus, the side edge trimmer with this trimmer feels like a child's play. Oh, you'll get the tilt, plunge, offset, and clear base to deal with a wide range of trimming applications. One single tool, too many benefits. This tool you see here lets you drive fasteners more quickly than ever. It's the Makita Autofeed Screwdriver, an ideal solution to handle a variety of drywall, decking, and framing applications. This screwdriver drives a decent number of screws per charge, with superior fastening speed. The Autofeed housing is designed with a screwless one-touch hook for effortless attachment and removal. You'll get high collated screw capacity for your most complicated job site situations. Who said that driving fasteners are annoying? So that was the list of the 10 best Makita tools for woodworking. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.